Alright guys, I try to record every time I come out here, but yeah, I'm bringing you as much content as I can, as much as I'm out here. Life is busy with 2 kids and work, and now that springtime's here with the lawn service, you know, weekends are pretty much trashed. But I did get here early on a Sunday and took care of some things. I did cut this other side over here. I trimmed out this other side over here to kind of match the opposite side over there. I moved this arm back, the tension rod, back to kind of match the opposite side length. So bringing it to the alignment rack, you'll figure it out. Kind of match left to right, you know, within spec of my specs that I want to run this. Maui's here too. Don't look at me like that. So did that, cut it up, took it out to wash it. I gave it a little wash from all the fiberglass dust. And I still hit, oh God, where is it? I think, yeah, I hit a little bit back here yet. You can see a little bit of rubber there. And then on the opposite side, I end up hitting up here. So I'm gonna trim those spots up. I might put on the side skirts to kind of match. And we'll go from there. I also got some yellow window tint here. I'm gonna see if I can throw it on the headlights. Ugh, I hate trimming up new rad fenders, but I think it'll be enough. Next time I take it out, I'll test it, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's get after these headlights. All right, so it's been a little bit. Got the alignment all done. Brought it back to Luke. Got it all squared away with all the new stuff that I've been doing to it with the front end. Did a little bit of more fiberglass work to the rear bumper. And after the alignment, car would keep dying even after it ran for a while. Took it on a little drive, gauges started shutting off. Car started to stumble a little bit. So tested the alternator, and it was only, while running at like 12 or 11.8. So it wasn't charging. Tested the alternators, or the alternator, and it was shot. So I decided to get both the alternators rebuilt, because I had a spare one just sitting in the garage. So got them both rebuilt, and now I got a spare. So gonna throw the alternator back on. Gonna kind of show you the bumper progress, and yeah, it never ends. All right, here we go. Got the rebuilt alternator. Gonna trim this back little heat ducting, because it with the swap it was hitting some stuff. Here's the other one. You can kind of see how that goes, but yeah, so got a spare. A rebuilt alternator with a spare alternator, so they're both rebuilt. Here's the bumper. It's it's getting there. I think that's about the last patch job I need to do before I need to smooth out the outside and get it rewrapped. Get it over blunt wraps, get all the little things done. Get that wrapped. Get the fenders wrapped. Got a couple of spots I need to kind of patch up. So yeah.
GA's here.
All right, alternator switched out. Good to go, new day. Let's get this thing street worthy. Just got a couple of things to do. So just gonna retorque the lug nuts. Might wash it, we'll see what happens. Just make sure all the body kit is secure. Check fluids, and screw this bumper. It's all so mismatched, or just all messed up. Can you even see it? Well, you can kind of see the bottom of the quarter panel there, and this is where it kind of sits. It doesn't want to, like, it's so tight. And then this side over here, it's, oh god. So I'm gonna do what I can just to make it secure, make it look like a vehicle go down the road. Throw the plate on it. Yeah, I think that's really about it. All right, sweet. All right, let's take this pig out. Hopefully we can stay out of trouble today. All right, took the old unit to the DMV to get some tabs. Didn't get tabs because they renew this month, so I'm just gonna wait till next month. No reason to pay two fees for not driving it. Yeah, but anyway, it drove pretty well. Yeah, I mean, ran great. Just looks kind of shitty. But everything stayed together. No one honked at me because parts were falling off. So it stayed nice and cool. Oil pressure looked good. No crazy death wobble or anything. I might get these balanced though, because at a certain speed they get a little crazy. So I would just slow down. But yeah, got back, did a couple of test nuts, and yeah, it gets down. I don't know if it's a combination, if it's the steering angle kit or if it's throwing those springs up front, those stiffer springs up front, but man, it turns and burns. Works really well. I'm excited for the next event. Carmageddon at BIR, May 14th. So yeah, just gonna get it wrapped up, get the fenders done, get the wing done, get a couple of patches done on it, clean it up, and be 100% ready to go. It's 100% drivable. Just want to get it looking decent for some pics. So till then, I'm pumped. Let's do it.